Hello everyone, welcome to LowCodeFX. In this video, we are going to see how we can create a report in PDF format from Canvas app and download it in one click. Let's see which screen we can utilize for that. So we have this project screen, then Teams, uh, yep, all tasks. Yeah, so we can utilize this screen. So basically, we are going to create PDF of this table and provide a download functionality. So let's add a button in this header container. Yeah, I will name it as PDF icon. So let's apply this color palette. Okay, now before we add a function over here, we need to enable option from the settings. Search for PDF and you will find PDF function. Just enable it. Okay, let's use that function in the button. PDF, we need to pass the target. So target could be container or gallery. So let me just identify which container we should use. So this is the parent one, all task table. Let me copy it and paste it over here. Let me save it in the variable var table. Okay, perfect. Let me click on this button and see. Yes, so if you see this variable, it's the data type is blob. So before we download it, let's see PDF view. We need to add PDF viewer just to view this. We will remove this letter. So I will pass this variable here. So if you see here, so it is capturing whatever is displayed on the screen. In order to get entire data within that container, we can add one more property in this. So yes, in curly brackets use expand container colon true. My bad, it should be expand containers. Yes, and now let's check it out. If I click, now I can see all the records within that gallery. Yes, so we are good with this PDF creation. Yes, now we need to see how we can download it. We are going to store this PDF in blob storage and then we will download it from there. So in order to store in the blob, we need to create a Power Automate flow. Let's create one flow here, instant flow. It will be Power Apps trigger, and I will name it as create PDF report. Yes, create. I need one file input here. We need to upload it over blob. So search for blob and click on create blob. I have already created this storage account. Let me use that, and I need to select the path. Yeah, this is my folder path, and in the blob name I'm going to pass content name, and blob content would be content bytes. This will upload a file over blob. So in order to download this file, we need to get a SAS URI. So let's search for blob again, and we need to select this action, create SAS URI by path. Yes, again we need to pass storage account name. Yes, blob path would be the path of this uploaded file. So select this path. Yes, and we need one more action, that is respond to Power Apps. Add text, This is going to be a link, and use this web URL from this SAS action. Yes, then publish. Let's add that flow here. Add flow, create PDF report. Yes, we got this. Now in the PDF button, let's pass this variable. Okay, so let me run that flow. In order to pass the PDF file, we need to break it down in two parts. Okay, write it in curly brackets, content bytes colon this variable comma name colon. I will create a GUID for each PDF name, so every time it will be unique. So let me use GUID as a file name, and we need to add extension as well, so it's .pdf. So content byte will pass content, and on top it will need a name. Perfect. And this we need to save it in variable set var file link comma. Yes, we got this. Now this link we can pass it in the download function, this and dot link. So this is nothing but what we have created in Power Automate. Yes, so let's test it out. If you see, it's got downloaded. If I open this, let me remove this PDF viewer. Yes, now let me try applying a filter. In progress. Yeah, and click on PDF. It is downloaded. Let me open it. Yes, only filter data got downloaded in PDF format. So this is how we can build a report in Canvas app. If you create a new tab called report, so there basically we can stack the different containers with forms, galleries, and we can basically create a dynamic report and provide this over to PDF and download functionality over there. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.